Achromobacter xylosoxidans. General information. Taxonomy of Achromobacter xylosoxidans. Family, Alkaligenaceae. Genus, Achromobacter. Formerly, Alkaligenes xylosoxidans. Natural habitat of Achromobacter xylosoxidans. They exist in water environment and can cause healthcare-associated infections and bacteremia in immunocompromised patients with indwelling catheters. Clinical significance of Achromobacter xylosoxidans. It is a relatively frequent agent of infection in immunocompromised patients, causing both local and systemic infections in nosocomial settings. Achromobacter xylosoxidans can cause infections, especially for patients with cystic fibrosis (CF). They do not seem to have a significant impact on lung function. Achromobacter xylosoxidans are capable of causing a wide range of infections, such as bacteremia, meningitis, pneumonia, and peritonitis. It had also been involved in nosocomial infections attributed to contaminated disinfectants, dialysis fluids, saline solution, and water diseases, cystic fibrosis or CF. Gram stain. Achromobacter xylosoxidans presents as small, gram-negative rods under microscopic examination. These bacteria are typically 0.5 to 1.0 micron wide and 0.5 to 2.6 micron long. A distinctive characteristic of Achromobacter xylosoxidans is their solitary arrangement. They are typically observed as single cells rather than in clusters or chains. Culture characteristics. Achromobacter xylosoxidans is an obligate aerobic, non-fermenting bacteria. On blood agar, Ba, its colonies appear flat or slightly convex with smooth margins, displaying a color range from white to light brown. On McConkey agar, the colonies are pale, indicative of its inability to ferment lactose. Furthermore, Achromobacter xylosoxidans does not grow on buffer charcoal yeast extract agar supplemented with oxalic acid. BCYE Greek letter alpha. Another characteristic that helps in its identification. Characteristics. Achromobacter xylosoxidans is a gram-negative bacilli, typically appearing as medium-sized rods under a microscope. These bacteria require oxygen for growth, making them obligate aerobes. They exhibit positive reactions in both catalase and oxidase tests but are negative for indole. Notably, Achromobacter xylosoxidans are motile, possessing the ability to move. In terms of antibiotic susceptibility, they are resistant to vancomycin but susceptible to colistin. Poem. In water's realm, it dwells unseen. Achromobacter, opportunistic keen. The weak it targets, infections its game. From lungs to blood, it spreads its gleam. Small rods, alone, they meet the eye. On agar plates, their colors lie. Oxygen they need, to thrive and grow. Catalase, oxidase, a positive show. Vancomycin's might, it can withstand, but colistin's touch, it can't command. Achromobacter, a subtle foe, in those at risk, its presence will show.